Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel and to Vlogtober. Today I have a Poundstretcher haul for you. If you don't know what Poundstretcher is, it's basically like Poundland, but they sell stuff for all sorts of prices, but still very reasonable. Some stuff is quite tacky, but other stuff is quite good. So that's what I'm going to show you today. The first thing I picked up were these cappuccino hazelnut sachets. There's 8 in there, 69p, and they're not bad. I mean, they're not bad. They're not the best, but 69p, they're worth it. I also got some vanilla cappuccinos, again for 69p, 8 sachets. It does what it says on the tin. What else? I picked up a thermos. This one says, I would rather be sleeping. Don't know if you guys can see. I would rather be sleeping. And I thought it was quite nice. Paul took my thermos with him when he went on deployment. So I thought, I need to get myself a new one. I don't want to spend loads of money. $2.49. Bargain. Now, I am not, despite what you might think, a huge fan of biscuits and cookies. I really prefer cake, but I am partial to wafers, you know, and they're not that easy to find in England, I don't think. In Portugal, you would find just rows of the stuff, but yeah, so I picked this up. I think it's a Polish brand. Let me see. Produced in Poland. Boom. Got that. I think, let me see, how much was that? That was 69p. Is that right? Yes. What else? I got some bin liners. These are the little ones, the bathroom ones. That was 99p, I think. And then I also picked up this bin. That was $2.49, as you can see, and I'm actually going to use it to put all my wrapping paper and sort of corral it in the same place. I mentioned that I was on the lookout for one, so I found it for $2.49. I also got some bleach for 89p. This is the Domestos brand. It's toilet bleach. And then I picked up some shampoo and conditioner. This is by Revlon, which I would consider a really good brand, and it was £1, and it's a colour stay moisturising shampoo, protects colour, provides shine. There you go. So I got conditioner and shampoo. I'm at the moment using Dove, which I normally love, but this particular type of the Dove shampoo, it's just not working for me. It's making my hair greasy by the end of the day, kind of thing. I washed it today, and is it me? Or is it looking a bit, I don't know. I'm very sensitive to like looking greasy, and I tend to look greasy all the time. But anyway, shampoo. God, I do waffle sometimes. I also picked up some Limelight, removes 100% of lime scale with ease for metal, glass and ceramic. Basically, the area where I live, it's very prone to lime scale very, very quickly. So I thought I would get some of this to try it out. And that was 89p as well. So quite good. Little coffee break. Okay. I also got some Castor Sugar. I've run out, so I saw it, and that again, 89p. 89p seems to be their thing. I got some Ziploc bags. These are the smaller sizes. That was £1. Picked up some bath scrunchies. I do really like these for the bath, but I like changing them quite regularly. And it used to be £1 and it was 69p for the 3. I usually pay like £1 per scrunchie. So are they called scrunchies? Bath balls, whatever. I got a USB cable. This is for the iPad. Ours is like coming apart, so I thought I would pick up another one for £1. Now, no, I think this was actually $1.99, yeah. Now, the ones I buy from Poundland, every now and again, they don't work. So I'm praying that this works. I also got, I'm going to show you that later. It's Christmas stuff, so I'll show you in a bit. I got some Epsom salts for £1. And I also picked up a calendar for next year. It's very simple. For £1, this year's adventure begins now, so yay. And it has, I really like this type of thing. The first one says, big love for you and me. Oh no, that's February. This year's adventures begins now. Yay, summertime starts. Good vibes only. You know, pretty simple. The worst thing you could do is send me, I don't know, a bird calendar. It's not really my thing. And then I saw these, and as usual, I think I should have got more because they were 29p, and they are sauces. This is pomodoro and ricotta pasta sauce, 100% pomodoro Italiano. Pomodoro is tomatoes, right? I think so. A product of Italy. These were 29p. I also picked up a arrabbiata pasta sauce. I thought these would be really quick, you know, because with just being me and Alex, sometimes I can't be bothered to cook a full-on meal. Okay, and then I picked up a very nice Radiator Air. So it is what it says on the tin. It's a air for the radiator. Okay, and then I got a bit into the Christmas thing, and I managed to pick up 2 presents. I'm going to show you. The Ultimate Science Lab. So it tells you, let me see if I can show you. Mold a skull, make a model of a solar system, paint an eyeball, watch a volcano erupt, build your internal organs, and mold a bouncy planet. Yeah, bouncy planet. Even though it says age 8, this is right up Alex's street. So they are $12.99 or 2 for £20. So I actually got 2 of the same, and one will be for Alex, and the other one will be a Christmas present from one of my nephews. Now, talking about Christmas, that leads me on nicely to Christmas. Now, most of my decorations are red, but I have navy in my lounge, so I was thinking this year I wanted to do a bit of a navy and gold theme. So, with that in mind, I had a look to see what they had, and the first thing I found was this glitter reindeer. I mean, the quality is not amazing. It was $1.99. It is what it is. Now, I am not a glitter kind of girl for 11 months of the year, but when it comes to Christmas, I like it sparkly, and here it is. I thought that was good. I also picked up a pack of 24 baubles, shatterproof, $2.99. I thought this was excellent price, actually. They're not like the tiny ones. They're a decent size. Shatterproof. Staying within the gold theme, it's been hard to spot any blue Christmas stuff. So if you have seen any like navy blue Christmas stuff, let me know in the comments where, so I can go and check it out. So it's been hard. So anyway, what I meant to say is, I thought, well, I can go with like white and a bit of gold. Again, I would not pick this up the rest of the year, but I really like that it has a little bit of sparkle. And as you can see, they used to be $12.99. Sorry, they're upside down. And I paid $7.99 for it, which I thought was really good. It's so soft, and I thought it would just add a little bit of sparkle to the sofas. And finally, I picked up a candle, Christmas candle, Christmas Tree Moments. It smells of spruce, fir needle, and eucalyptus. And it does have a hint of like toilet bleach smell. I mean, it's not bad. No, I like it. I like it. I like it. I think that was $1.99 as well. Am I done? I'm done. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are enjoying Vlogtober. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for more Vlogtober. Bye. Now to put all this stuff away.